Hello students, welcome in today's session of English online class. We are continuing with worksheet number 23 and we are doing the topic notices. So now we are at page number 52 and we are going to go through notice number 2. Let's go through the heading first. Anupreet of Riverside Public School, Haridwar. Now you are seeing that name of the school, name of the person and name of the city is mentioned. Has lost his spectacles somewhere in the school campus. She has lost her spectacles. On his behalf, the person is a boy. Write a notice in about 50 words giving the necessary details and request the finder to return it. Promise a suitable reward and put the notice in a box. So let us start to frame a notice. First of all, what do? We will write the name of the institution in capitals and it is given here. You will mention River Side Public School Now the name of the city is mentioned, that is a very holy city, Haridwar. Okay, it's okay. Now you will write up the name. This is, what is this? This is a notice, so you have to mention it here. After that you will mention the date. For example, I am mentioning here 19th April 2021. Now we see that what is lost? Spectacles are lost. So you will give a short but a clear-cut heading. Spectacles lost. Now comes the turn of content. A pair of spectacles has been lost somewhere, कहीं पर गुमे हैं, somewhere, you don't know the exact location, somewhere in the school campus. Now अब बताएंगे आपकी स्पेक्टेकल्स किस तरह से उनकी फ्रेमिंग है. यू विल गिव द डिटेल्स ऑफ द स्पेक्टेकल्स. नाउ यू विल मेंशन अ पेयर है ना, सो दीज आर अ पेयर ऑफ स्पेक्टेकल्स इज लॉस्ट. दीज आर फ्रेम्ड, किस कलर की उनकी फ्रेमिंग है? दीज आर फ्रेम्ड इन ब्लैक कलर. These are framed in black color. Having black color. Now rectangular metal है. और metal rectangular. We are having space here. We can mention it here. Rectangular metal frame अब उसके ऊपर कुछ मेंशन होता है ना, किसी कंपनी का नेम फ्रेमिंग के ऊपर. विथ विस्टा printed with Vista printed on it. At a side पर framing क्या होता है ना, कुछ company का name printed, so it is printed. The finder is requested. Now we can again continue. जिसको मिले, the finder is requested. The finder is requested to return it to return it to the undersigned in room number, here we will give room number 42. You have to promise for a reward कि आप उसे कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर देंगे एज अ थैंक्स. अ रिवॉर्ड इज promised. Full stop. Here you have ended your notice. Now you will also mention the name of the person is mentioned here, Anupreet. So you will first put on the signature. In any form you can put the signature of the person. Then you will give the full-fledged name of the person, Anupreet. Now the person, वो person किस क्लास से belong करता है. Now you can also mention 8th. Section is not given, so you are free to write the section 8th C. And again, don't forget to put up the notice in a box like this. I hope class you are well acquainted with the notice and the format of the notice is quite clear to you. Again, go through the heading, understand it, then go through the content and try to do it by your own for good practice. Thanks for watching the video. Continue with the practice. Good.